Good morning, my name is Jaime Eliezer Moreno and today I will tell you about delicious Colombian dish. Our chicken suite, which is a typical step of Colombian cuisine that is prepared with the meat of the mentioned animal. Is a traditional recipe on the toast of the lifetime, which admits many variations depending on the taste of each person. You can do a with a whole chicken chopped into pieces, but I most common in to do it with the legs of animals. You will see below that it's very easy to do. These are the ingredients. One big hand onion, one medium carrots, two chicken bits, two tomatoes, six medium potatoes, white rice, salt, and condiments. Step by step preparation. 1. Chop the vegetable into small pieces, carrot, onion, and tomato. 2. In the blender, we put the cut vegetable and a tablespoon of salt, seasoning to taste, and glass of water. 3. Let blend until a thick consistency is obtained and put this mixture in a pot. The boil over high heat for 5 minutes. 4. Add the chicken pieces without in the skin and left cook for 20 minutes. 5. Cut the potatoes into small pieces and put them in the pot for 10 minutes to finish the preparation. Serve accompanied with white rice and ready. You already have a delicious Colombian dish that is very easy to prepare.